Hello everyone! Today we continue working with the feet and flare skirt with the train. Today we'll take it and try it on. Have a look at the table. You've probably understood that I decided to show you a very complicated design. Of course, it would be much easier to make the same gores with the same flare. We have to be different every day. I want you to not be afraid to use your imagination. Let's have a look at the details once again before I start tacking them. This is the center front. I've already tacked it. This is the side of the front. You can see that this seam matches. This is the side seam. You have to think out all the details in advance. If you design everything accurately, you won't have any problems. This is the back. I've already tacked the center back too. Let's continue working. Having a basic pattern, you can make a skirt of any design. It's very convenient to have a good basic pattern. You can change it however you like and make a lot of different skirts using one and the same pattern. Have a look here. This is the back part of a skirt. Here are the 4 gores. This is the side seam. It should match the side seam on the front. Have a look at the flare. This is the front part. The flare is also very beautiful. It's not that wide, but it still looks good. Now we'll take the side seams and try the skirt on. Have a look at the skirt. It's just tacked for now. When we stitch it, we'll iron these folds and they will look even better. The flare is very nice. Turn around. I once heard that feet and flare skirts are only for the old ladies. I hope now you understand that it's not true. Feet and flare skirts can be very stylish. I've already showed you how to make a lot of different feet and flare skirts. They all look amazing. Have a look at the skirt once again. It looks amazing when a person walks. Such skirt requires a lining. A lining should be even to a skirt itself. The best option is to make a lining of the same fabric, or if you want, of some bright beautiful fabric. All the seams should be hidden inside. You should fix a lining the same way as in white coat. It should move a bit. That's all for today. Don't be afraid of experiments. Be different and beautiful every day. My name is Irina. Subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.